Hello everyone, and once again welcome to the YouTube channel of Get Set Law by IMS. My name is Siddhant Singh, and continuing with a series of 5 minutes complete legal concept. Today I am here with a concept that is, what is malicious prosecution. A lot of time you face difficulty when you study law of tort, a civil wrong or a criminal wrong. At times it comes to the mind that what exactly the concept is about. So if you want to know the concept, watch this video for the next 5 minutes and you'll be clear with the concept. So let's start the video.
To book a free one-on-one law counseling online or at any IMS center, check out the link in the description box or the pinned comment below.
So now over here I've broken down the term. First we'll understand malicious and then prosecution. As you can see that there is some malicious intent, something going in person's mind with his facial expression. It sees that he is thinking something very critical. So that is what the term malicious means, that it has some malice or a wrong intent with which the person is going to file a case. And prosecution, as you can see, that is bringing up a case against another person. When both the terms come together, this is what it means. It means that it is a legal claim which is against someone who initiated a baseless criminal or a civil case. That means the person have brought a particular case, but that was baseless with a malice intent, that is with a wrong intent the case was filed. That means if a case have been brought against you with a wrong intent and you proved out to be acquittal, then in that case, this law gives you a right to bring a case of malicious prosecution against the other person. So it is a tort, a civil wrong that protects the innocent individuals from wrongful litigation. So the entire time, energy have been wasted because a wrong case was brought against you. Now let's understand few elements. It says prosecution done by the defendant. The person filed or actively participated in the legal proceedings is that the prosecution have been done by the defendant because he was defending the case. I'm going to take up an example at the end for the entire courtroom case, but we need to understand. So prosecution have been brought by the defendant. So if I am a plaintiff, you are a defendant, you brings a case of malicious prosecution against me because you were defending the case and lately it turned out to be acquittal in your favor. Favorable termination, the victim won the case or charges were dropped. That means you were acquittal, and so is the reason the person who was acquittal, now he can take a case against the other person. So there are two cases. First case mein you proved out to be acquittal, you were defending the case, and now in the second case you bring a case against the plaintiff of the first case. Lack of reasonable and probable cause. So there is no solid legal basis to initiate the case because initially the person had the malice intent to bring you down and being trapping you in a particular scenario of that prosecution. Then there is malice, which we have discussed, and the damages. So the victim suffered a quantifiable loss, money, reputation and liberty. So a wrong case brought against you, then this is the defense. But you need to be very clear that in all cases it doesn't prove out to be that it was a malicious intent. There could have been a right case, but someone will win, someone will going to lose, but this is not an absolute right which the person will going to bring it up. You need to go with all the elements, then only you can bring a case of malicious prosecution. So here is a courtroom case. Let's say that this is case 1 which is going on between the parties. This person has brought a case against the female that she was selling drug in Goa rather than she was selling a sweetener powder in Goa because she started a startup. So this was case 1 where this was a plaintiff and she was a defendant in a case where a case against her brought for a drug peddling. So she proved out to be acquittal. Bhai ye to free ho gayi. So what will happen now? She came to know that this was a malice intent which the plaintiff brought in the case number 1. She is going to bring a case of malicious prosecution against him because he has brought a case because he had the evil intent of demeaning her reputation in the entire market so that she could not run her own startup. And if you like this particular video, so guys, please drop into the comments and let us know that on what legal topic you would want us to come with a video. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Siddhant sir signing off.